The government of India at that time was saying that you get into the politics and then talk about it. So I thought maybe they had a point of view, and if they come into power, then the things will change, system will change, and everything will change. So there was a lot of discussion happening, and I, in fact, told Anna, I said, Anna, let you be part of it. And he said, no, isme garwad hai. And then after some time, Ashutosh walked into the into this meeting. And he said, no, it's important. And then I also said, okay, then let's form a government.
At that point, Ashutosh was a journalist.
He was a journalist for a long time.
But in this meeting...
And Mr. Bajpayee also walked in. In this meeting, they walked in as observers.
Okay.
Yeah.
But then they turned from observers into participants.
Into participants. That's why I said, when I look back at it, it looks like, which is fine, which is absolutely fine if they want to have a backdoor entries, if they want to go about it like that, it's fine. That's,
but is that how you see it, as a backdoor
now
entry?
When I go back, I think the biggest jolt came to me. They wanted me to canvass. They did not say it directly, but I knew that I'm very active on Twitter.
But just hold on a sec. Let's talk about that. First, you said Anna Hazare said isme gadbad hai. What do you think that he meant?
He was very angry in that meeting. He said, no, we should not form a party, because forming a party means getting into dirty politics. We should be a movement.
Nothing beyond that.
Nothing beyond that.
Was he? Because you hear things about the funding of AAP.
I think he was not. He was dignified enough to not talk about it, maybe. But I am not aware of that. But he was very, very clear, and there was some conversation happening about funding and things like that. And I think at that time he had got to know that there was something not working. And later on, when I spoke to Kiran Bedi recently, about 3 months back, she did mention that he had come to know about that whole thing about funding going into Arvind Kejriwal's name, and he was the signatory or things like that.
And tell us about the journalists, because I've also been a journalist who was happy to see AAP emerge as a party, because I believe it's good for democracy to have more parties. And yet there are many journalists, perhaps like Prasoon Bajpayee or like Ashutosh, who were also inspired by the party, and who then have crossed, and you know, Ashutosh has crossed the line to join it.
I'm sure they were.
But you believe that that's values, and yet there are many journalists, perhaps like Prasoon Bajpayee or like Ashutosh, who were also inspired by the party, and who then have crossed, and you know, Ashutosh has crossed the line to join it.
I'm sure they were.
But you believe that that's valid? I mean, if you as an actor can join politics, can a journalist or an editor also then?
If as an actor I join politics and I don't change my character as a person, I'm fine.
Okay.
If as a journalist you join a party and you suddenly see a characteristic of the person, then you start doubting what he was doing as a journalist.
When you saw that video, I'm sure you have, of Arvind Kejriwal talking to Prasoon Bajpayee, what did you think?
I was horrified and sad. I was very sad, because however much they may say that it was every journalist talks to, or every guest has a liberty to say ye cut kar dena, but I'm from a department of understanding human nature and learning the body language. I talk about body language. That body language was not about a leader saying, "Arey yaar ye kaat dena, thoda gadbad hai isme." And also a lot of, you see, thanks to Twitter, thanks to social media, you get to know, you go back to where things started.
Right.
You go back to Prasoon Bajpayee's picture, relaxing with those 5 people.
Yeah.
So then and you can't fool people.
Now, you're very